So we were just trying to talk about some of the questions. I will show you a few of the questions, and then maybe we can continue with the topic like what is machine learning, why machine learning, and which are the different types, which is actually shown in your second unit. As I already told you, second unit is not going to take much time, right? As I told you that these are the concepts only, but whatever should be taken as hands-on, I'm just trying to take the same. I'm just trying to give enough time to do those things so that later on when you people will try to understand or when we will try to discuss about some techniques or algorithms, that will not be difficult for you to implement them. That's what my motive is. That's why I'm just trying to give some time to these hands-on things, because this is the thing actually which will definitely help you to understand things in more detail and clearly. So let me go and try to open the same file. Okay. NumPy, NumPy exercise. Okay, so let's see some of the questions. Uh, this one we saw. Yeah, tell me. Create a 3 by 3 matrix with values ranging from 0 to 8. So what should be your command? What should we write down? 3 by 3 matrix we need to create. Okay, so I'm getting some answers. np.array 01. Okay, someone is writing down like this. Let me see. Vibor. Okay, let me try to show you what is Vibor's answer, and then I will try to answer it. Obviously, first thing I need to, as everything is restarted, I need to import NumPy. Import NumPy as an E. Shift enter. So this is what Vibor has written. Okay. So this is what 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 8. This is what we wanted, and this is what Vibor's answer is. Any other answer, guys, other than this one? Because see, here I have asked you 0 to 8. I could have asked you from 0 to 1000. Are you going to write it down like this? Can anyone tell me what can be the answer? Perfect answer. This is like manually you are writing down everything, right? But what if I would have asked you to create an array of 0 to 10,000? Are you going to write down each and every value like this? No, absolutely not. So can anyone just tell me what should be the answer to get this? Definitely, whatever we wanted, we got this one, but that is not the way, right? So anyone, can you try? We need to create this array. Okay, let me tell you. See, np.arange is going to help you here. np.arange. How many elements you want? 9. So I will just run it. What I got? I got this one. 0 to 8 elements. Yes, 0 to 8 I got. But I also know how to reshape it. Right? Reshape method we already talked about. So np.arange and whatever I got, let me just try to reshape that. There are total 9 elements, right? So can I write down like this 3 by 3? That's it. So if you go and if you try to follow this way, you will have to write down each and every element manually. But I have arrange and I have reshape. So see what I have done. First of all, I use arrange and then converted that particular array, which was 1D array to 2D array. You can check it. Earlier it was 1D array. So if I go and if I try to remove this particular part, right, what you will see is 1D array starting with one square bracket, ending with one square bracket. But go and reshape it, you'll be able to see 2D array, and that's what we wanted. I hope everyone is clear. Next thing, create a 3 by 3 identity matrix. This one we have already talked about, right? 3 by 3 identity matrix, you have to create np.I and 3. That's it. So it's 3 by 3 identity matrix. Now, use NumPy to generate random number between 0 and 1. So np dot random between 0 and 1. Can anyone remember what was the name of the method to generate the numbers between 0 and 1? What was that method? np dot random dot rand. Yes, Sharon, that's right. np dot random dot rand is going to be a random number between 0 and 1. That is positive number always. Yes, right, we go. Next question. Use NumPy to generate an array of 25 random numbers sampled from standard normal distribution. Can anyone answer this? Use NumPy to generate array of 25 random numbers sampled from standard normal distribution. So you can see from the output itself, there are some positive values and there are some negative values here, right? So yes, I am seeing I am getting some answers. np.random.rand n. Yes, that's right, Sharon. But what numbers you should make use of in between? np.random.rand n is right. It's stuck somewhere. So you want 25, right? So what should be your command? Rand n is correct. np.random.rand n is correct. But in bracket, which number should I do? 25. That's it. Right? So this is the answer. np.random.rand n it should. This one. And as we want 25 elements, you go here, you will get some positive numbers, some negative numbers. That is centered around 0, and that is called as standard normal distribution. Create the following matrix. You need to create this matrix. Same thing. Can anyone tell me? It's a two-dimensional array. Okay, you need to create this matrix. So you can check. It is starting with 0.01, ending at 1. 0.01, 0.02, 0.02, 0.04, 0.05, and so on till 0.1. Then 0.11, 0.12, 0.13, and so on. 0.2. Can you people try out this one? We want this as output. Okay, I hope everyone understood the question. So, how many elements are there? Total 100. So, np dot, I will try it out with, first of all, do you remember this? See, there are different methods to get this array. Okay, that's good. I am getting some answers. np dot linspace. So let me try to put Vibo's answer. Okay, it is loading actually, as it is restart that it is taking some time. Let me paste Vibo's answer here. This is what Vibo is saying. np dot linspace 0, 101, 100. Okay, so let's see. So Vibo, see what it is doing is it is starting with 0. We want to start with what? We want to start with 0.01. So that is not right. Okay. See, this is what we want. 0.01. Try to understand. Linspace, you clearly identified it correctly. Vibo, you identified it correctly. So start with 0.01. Okay, I am getting one more answer. 0.01, 100. Okay. 0.01, 100. So let's see. Now 0.01, 0.02, 0.1. Now try to understand. We want 2D array. Okay, we want 2D array. We got 1D array. So let's see if reshape works here. 10 by 10. This is what our answer, right? I hope everyone able to understand. This is what we wanted. We got the answer. Another way is we could have tried out like this. np.array. How many elements we want? 100 elements we want, right? So it is going to start with what? 0. So what I can go do is I can start with 1 and I can end at 101, so that I will get till 100. Now after this, what I can do is, after this, maybe as we want 2D array, so maybe suppose let's try to reshape it. Okay, let's try to reshape it into 10, 10. Now what I got? No, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 till 100. What I can do is I can go here and I can try to divide it by 100. Let's suppose. Now see, are you not getting the same answer? The point of showing you all these things is that see, everything is possible. Okay, yes, Deshmukh. Okay, send me roll number. Yeah, those people who are already aware about these things, let me know. Okay, let me know those people who are, do not send roll numbers and names right now. If you people want to leave, you can leave, no problem. Because I always look at the comments and I feel that people are asking me some questions. Do not send roll numbers and names right now. If you want to leave, you can. So Sharon is asking how to do this via linspace. Can you tell? That's what we have done, Sharon. See, np dot linspace. See, I'm telling you people that do not change your roll numbers and names right now. I will give you enough time. Shashwat Morgavkar, Priyansh Jain, do not send. Do not send your roll numbers and names. Otherwise, I will stop here. You want me to stop, guys? Do not send your roll numbers and names. I will give you enough time. Yes, Deshmukh, Akshat Agrawal. Do not send. Are you people not getting? I am telling you people that do not send your roll numbers and names. See, those people who sent it right now, I will not consider their attendance. Adya Khan, do not send your roll numbers and names. I will give you last 10 minutes. I am again repeating. If you people are aware about all these things, just let me know. I will stop here. I know you people are very busy. Okay, so someone has asked me, sir, how to do this via linspace? Can you tell? Okay. So see, linspace is going to do what? Linspace we know. The first argument is starting point. So we are so our starting point is 0.01. Ending point is what? Ending point is 1. So that's why I'm going to do ending point 1 here. And how many number of elements we want? We want 100 number of elements. So that's it. This is going to give the answer, right? But in this case, this is what? It's a 1D array. What we want is we want 2D array. So just go and reshape it. 10, 10. That's it. So those people, those who ask me this question, I think they are clear. Right? This is how we do it linspace. So you have multiple ways possible to answer the same thing. Anurag Joglekar, I think I told you, right? Do not change your roll numbers and names right now. Those people who send their roll numbers and names, before I telling you to send it, I am not going to consider your attendance. Anyway, I will be considering names and roll numbers of only those people who will send it when I send them. So if you people want to just pass your time, okay, you send it. I will not talk. Om Boyar, Akansha Kodutwar, Anurag Joglekar. Are you not getting my point? Soumya Bhandari, are you not getting my point? What I told you, people do not send it. Okay guys, there were other questions also to solve, but I think people are very intelligent and they are able to solve it. Rupal Yadav, Soumya Bhandari, Om Boyar, Akansha Kodutwar. Even after telling you multiple times that do not send your roll numbers and names, people are sending it. Okay, there were some other questions to solve. Right, so see, we have 15 minutes left. Let me teach you, right? Do not do it. I will give you enough time to send your numbers and names. Don't worry. Last time I'm telling you, if after this one, if someone sends me roll number and name before telling, I will stop. Okay. Now solve these questions. See, we have this particular array. Okay, the Riyesh Ritik Singh. Okay. Oh, you people are not getting my point, right? So, okay, guys, you people are not getting my point, right? Okay, guys, I will not mark anyone's attendance today. Let me stop here itself. It seems that you people are very intelligent. You people are already aware about all these things, right? Let me stop it here itself. Even after telling you that do not continue, do not actually send your numbers and names, just send your questions those who are having. I told you that I will give enough time, but still you people are not listening. Otherwise, Doshi. Okay. Okay, guys, if you want it that way only, if you want only attendance, so I will also go the same way, no problem. Okay, guys, send your numbers and names. We will stop here only. Send your roll numbers and names. This is what you want, right? Okay, those who send their no roll numbers and names, those just leave the meeting. Yes, people, those who send their numbers and names, leave the meeting. It seems that you people are already aware about all these concepts. I also understand how to continue next time. Okay? Yes, now those who send their numbers, leave the meeting. I also do not like to waste someone's time. Done, everyone? So I will stop the meeting. Even after telling you so many times that I will give enough time, but still you people were sending unwanted messages, right? It is not required. I always give time to send your numbers and names. Okay, anyone remaining, send those who send their numbers and names, leave the meeting. I will not continue today. And tell me in advance only. Even you can tell me in advance. If you people are aware about all these concepts, I will not discuss it. I will go and I will try to talk about the theoretical point. I will complete your syllabus. That is also okay with me. Okay, guys. So you can leave. Don't worry. I will not continue today. Um, Once you send your number and name, leave the meeting. I will end it at 3:30.